In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can like the game and join the group here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, if you're in the game right now, you actually need to back out of it. So go ahead and back out of the game. And actually, we just hit 5 million, so I need to upgrade something real quick. But select the Roblox icon, hit leave, and back out of the game. And then you need to open up the game page itself. Now, once you open up the game page itself, what you need to go ahead and do is look for the little like button on here. Go ahead and select that and it's going to like the game. From here, you can also favorite it as well. It's up to you. You don't need to do that. That just makes it appear on your page. Just scroll down though and you're going to see an option on here for developer. Look for that developer tab, select it, and then of course hit join community, and that's going to be joining the games group. Once you've liked and joined the group, you're going to unlock some rewards or bonuses in the game itself, so you can go ahead and get loaded back in. But that's actually going to be the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.